Hello, welcome. My name is David Isamoje. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-shirt Design. So in this video, I know some of you saw this. I do forex too. I trade forex, so just a side come. Plenty, so many do things, So, but straight to this video. In this video, I'm gonna be designing a T-shirt design with Canva. T-shirt design Canva is the first. I must say welcome to this new month. Happy new month. This 1st of February 2020. 1 month gone, 11 to go. So if we start wasting much of your time, let's go straight to Canva. I'm opening Canva now. So this design, I'm going to be creating it on Canva. I'm assuming you already have your elements, but if you want to design from scratch, you can design from scratch. But I already designed something in Photoshop. Let me show you. So this was what I designed in Photoshop. Yes, I designed it myself. I use Photoshop. If you check on my other videos, you will know. As you can see, I designed it myself. So this is the design. Now I'll be bringing into Canva to make our design. I already made it in Photoshop, so it won't take long. But just in case you don't have the design, you can buy designs online or make from scratch. So the standard for this is 4000 by 500 and height is 5000 by 400 pixel. You just create new. Let's open a new tab. As you can see, it opens in a new tab. So the first step you want to do is come over to upload image, document. You can have it as love. This is it. Open. It's going to upload there. As you can see, it's uploading. So the first question you ask me, how did I get all these elements? It's quite simple. All you have to do is go to a site called free flat icons. As you can see, go to flat icons. You search for, you must already have a concept in mind which you want to use, so it should not take you more time. Your design concept should already be in your head before you start a design, so that you don't move from one point to another point for no reason and achieve nothing. So you always write down your design plans. If you want to design based on trend, like I'm designing based on the Valentine period coming, so from now on, like from yesterday, I've been designing Valentine videos, so I'll keep on doing that. So now you just go to flat icons and find your element. Always give credit, very important. The designers are doing the hard work, so please give them credit. So once you're done, you just come over to Canva and upload. As you can see, this one is uploaded. So if I click on it, it appears in my Canva. As you can see, it's in my Canva, and that's basically all I have to do. So assuming I have not designed this, what I would have done would have come to text, look for a good font. I would have just come to text, look for a good font. Let's assume we use this. Make it bigger so that you can see it. So I'll just ungroup it, because you can see there are other fonts which I don't need, so I'll just ungroup it. So now I can take them one after the other and just delete. Then I'm left with this, or I like this and just do love. You get it? Come here. I'll just increase this, but I can also increase it from here. As you can see, I can also increase it from here. So once I'm okay with it, I'll just over my mouse and just center it to the middle. See, but obviously I'll make it this big. But you can see I already have my own design. I did part of it in Photoshop, so I don't need to do this. But if you need to do this, it's super easy. You just do it and just get your elements and put everything in place, and you're super done. But with that, next step we need to do now is to download it. You see this download down arrow, click on it. One thing you must understand about Canva has a paid and a free license. If you need a free license, check down in the comments. You get a free 30 days on me, free from canva.com. So if you want the free license, what's the use of the free license? The free license gives you this free background, because transferring to your t-shirt you need a backgroundless design. If I use that kind of English, you need a design without a background so that you can put it on different shirts and different colors. But with this free version you can't, because if I click on it, it's going to tell me to get the free 30 days trial. You can get the free 30 days trial in the comments or description. The first link, comment or description, you get it. So now all I just do is click on download, and always download the PNG. You just click on download, preparing to download. Once it's downloaded, you see it here. You see it here once it's downloaded. As you can see, it's downloading. Now that is downloaded, if we go to folder, we should see it. This is it. Let's wait for this to load. As you can see, this is it, assuming I used Canva, which I did to get this downloaded. So the next step is, if you want to sell your shirt on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, you will need a mock-up to want to make people, you give you that trigger to buy your design, and it makes you much more money than just the design alone. So to do that, I'll just come to pictures. Pictures, mockup. If you check all my videos, I have over 22 series up already. You see that I have this particular mockup available. So all you have to do is come over here. I'll tell you where to get it after this design, so just stick around. I'll tell you where to get this. So you just click double tap, see this, you delete this, and just bring in your design. So I'll bring in that design I got from Canva, the one I downloaded from Canva. Bring it into the design. As you can see, it's quite big, so I have to reduce it. To reduce it in Photoshop, I'll just press 3 buttons together, Alt key button, Shift key button, and my left mouse click. I'll drag my mouse inwards to reduce, I'll drag outward to increase, inward to reduce. It's as simple as that. It's not complicated. You don't have to make it super complicated. Nothing is complicated when you learn properly. That's why I always advise every one of us to watch these videos to the end. So now let me give you a simple trick. If you can afford Canva Pro, which is super cheap, about $9 to $12, is super cheap. If you don't want to go through the stress of doing this process I'm about to show you, please just get the Pro license and don't pass through this process. So all I'll do is I'll just create a new layer. I'll come to this layer, and I'll use my magic tool, call it magic word tool. I'll just click on it and click on this white edge, as simple as that. But before I press delete, I'll have to come here, right click, vectorize layer, then now I can press delete. As you can see, it has deleted the white. So now I have that background. As you can see, it still has some extras. In, so I'll just come in, click on that, delete, come in, click on that, delete, come in, click on that, I'll delete again. So once I've done this for all, you can see, once I've done this for all, our design is now without a background, so I can transfer it to any design. So all I have to do now is to save it. I'll save, and now when I come back, I get it automatically. You notice I still have the white background here, so I have to go back and work on this. So I'll just go back and delete. I think it showed here too. I think it showed. I'll delete that. So it's quite small, as you can see. It's quite okay, not super small, but just have to move it a bit. So I'm just moving it a bit, then I'll save it again and I'll come back. Oh, sorry, this did not delete. I'll come delete. Sorry about that. So just save. As you can see now it's deleted, but you notice there's still white at this edge. You can see the stress I'm going through just to make sure there's no background. To save yourself, I would just say save yourself this stress. If you know you don't have Photoshop one, and if you know it's going to take your time, just save yourself this stress and get Canva Pro. It's super cheap. Just get yourself Canva Pro if you don't want to go through this process. As you can see, our design is on a shirt and it's quite I would say it's okay. Just have to shift it a bit and save it again. As you can see, it's fun. Let me see it on white shirt. It looks more amazing on a white shirt, right? Yeah, it looks amazing. So all I have to do now is to save this. Save as picture. Love 3 full. Save it as PNG. Save. And that is it. Now we can promote this on Instagram, but before you promote on Instagram, you have to upload it on site like Redbubble, Teespring, Match by Amazon. These sites are super cool. You don't have to pay to upload. They do the printing for you. They just take a percentage of your design and pay you the rest. So it's super easy. All you have to do is design. As you design a lot, you upload a lot, you stand a chance of making so much money. I have to tell you straight right from the beginning, passive income is not easy. You have to put in the hard work, and at the end of the day, it starts to pay up, and you get more profit, you make more money, you are happy. So please, if you've enjoyed this, look at the right hand side corner. You see some other videos. You can click on them and watch the full series if you want to learn how to make designs like this in Photoshop and Canva. I have a full series you can watch. Please watch them. Have a good day. Happy new month. See you tomorrow. Peace.